Hi, today we will see how to include admin in search results, encounter, random users, and featured users in user settings for Loveria. Go to Admin panel. Open the settings from side menu bar. Select the user setting from the settings drop-down. Select the Yes Radio button. Include admin in search results, encounter, random users, and featured users. And update the setting. Now you can see the admin in search results, featured users, encounters, and random users. If the No option is selected, then you cannot see admin in search results, encounter, random users, and featured users setting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.